There. Tweet, 2 tweets. Chickpea. What are those? Those look good. That's not what I'm making. But not now. Buffalo. Chickpea. Whoops. Alright. Okay, so this is pretty easy, which is so nice because I need easy today. I am very tired from a long day of streaming. Alright, we gotta start with our chickpeas. If there's 1 can, we always use 2, because then we have leftovers. Okay, anything else? We need tortillas from here. There's 1 tortilla left in this thing, so I'm gonna need both things of tortillas. I was hoping that was gonna do a louder pop straight up, but it didn't. Alright. Everything out of there is done. Sorry. Oh, crap. Sorry guys, didn't mean to, I swear. You're stuck. What are you stuck on? Hehe, my bad. Wasn't as hooked in as I thought it was. Well, it's hooked in to not fall forward. Backwards, slightly different story. Okay. Olive oil. What do we need the olive oil for? I don't usually put olive oil. Oops. Well, no, maybe I do. Garlic powder, salt. Okay, so garlic powder, salt. I gotta pull down some oil. Those things will be heavy too. It's a new one. Okay. I got it without dropping it on my face, which is usually preferable. Okay. Buffalo sauce. And then I'm gonna pull out the fixins. Oh, I have already got stuff set up. Just ignore that slight scream for me. Okay. Just getting all the fixins out that I want. Okay. Now all we need is a big old pan. Use the biggest pan I got. Start heating this thing up on medium heat. And then we're going to grab a colander, strainer, and strain those beans. Good. Ignore that thing. Okay. Pop one. I pinched my finger in it, like right away. Like, come on. Oh, I didn't mean to go all the way. Damn it. Okay, there we go. Push that over there. Then take this. Pop the next one. Hear that nice sis. This is like literally one of the easiest dinners to make. It's so nice. It's so, so nice. Be careful not to cut yourself, please. Alright, now let's raise you guys up towards the sink. Yes, there's some dirty dishes in the sink. I did clean some and put them in the dishwasher. I just haven't gotten around to the rest that I've used today. Take one. I also gotta take out trash. Boop. Which I'll do before Zach gets home because he gets grumpy. I love you, Zach. I also love making you grumpy. That's what I'm supposed to do, right? Just drain all the liquid. You don't need to rinse it, just drain the liquid. Alright, so then Let me pour the olive oil in. Oh god, this is brand new. Crap. Try to grab a plate. Hold this on for a minute. So that way any extra liquid can drain off. Hey Trin, welcome back. Oh, that isn't new. What the hell? Yes, it is new. Look at this. Sorry, you're making your team PDF contract. Oh, nice. What are you putting in your contract? Don't do any unreasonable. Nothing unreasonable. All right. I'll smack you if you're unreasonable to whoever decides to sign up for your team and such. All right. Okay, my cord is all mixed around. I don't know what a normal team contract looks like, so you better not be unreasonable. Because I know that some places can be unreasonable, so just please be nice. Like make it, like I said, just make it reasonable. Like you'll split up the winnings evenly. A portion will go towards the team as a whole, and then a specified amount will go to each person. So if there's 5 players on your team, say 25% goes to the team as a whole, like to keep the team stuff going, like getting new equipment or shirts and whatnot, that type of deal. Maybe 30%. And then 7% goes to the rest of the team. 3 months, player keeps 75% of his earning and 5% if any sponsorships. Can access our team graphic designer coaching 3 months. Oh, cool. So they have to be a part of you for 3 months. Thank you for making it only 3 months and like not a year, since like I see a lot of contracts for like years, so it's like, no, that's not reasonable. Don't expect someone to put that much time in to your business. Like, you should expect some time, but not like an unreasonable amount. Dang, 95% of earnings, kind of a lot, actually. That's higher than I would think. I would think maybe, well, I guess it depends on what it is. Like, if it's from, like, donations and stuff, like, I see 80 to 90%, yes. Like, if they win stuff, if you won stuff, like, lower. Just so more can go back into the team as a whole. Like buying food for the team. Player keeps 90% of his earnings. Oh wait, I already read that. Wait, yeah, you said that. 5% will go to the team if any sponsorship. Yeah, like I said, that's a lot lower than I was expecting, actually. Oh, it's an independent contract. Okay. I guess that could become quite a bit once if you have a lot of people on. How many people could you have on your team at once? Just any amount? Oh, that's my thing, telling people I'm live again. I've been live like 3 times. Yeah, first 2. So you have 2 at first? How many do you hope to have someday? I would love to have my own team. Could you imagine the sleuths as a team? Oh, that'd be so cool. Ah, no! Get back in there with your brethren. I think I can make some pretty cool jerseys for my team. You already have a couple on the team. The rest are pro players, but not signed with it. Oh, really? You want to sign the pro players? That's sketchy. So, as back then, I wasn't really smart about this stuff. But you're learning now. You seem like you shouldn't be old enough to be dealing with contracts, straight up. Because you can't even drive yet. That was my mistake. I got too cocky. God damn it. Man down. Man down. Let's get some seasonings on this bad boy. On these bad boys. They will get a contract hopefully by this week. Nice. So wait, so do you already have pro players on your team? We need to replace our garlic powder. It's for some reason it went hard. Okay, let's turn you down a little. Some sort of moisture or something got in, probably. Chickpeas, Gio. Chickpeas. These are a bit larger than corn. How are you doing today, Gio? I'm also getting help for your other team, aka the owner of that team. Wait, you have 2 teams? That in there. Looks like from that distance, that's understandable. That would be some pretty big ass corn though, straight up. Here, I'll show you in a second. It has similar coloring, a little bit more dull. Unfortunately, I don't have a light on the stove. See how much bigger this is? Like, here's my finger. That's a pretty big piece of corn. Doing good? What are you up to today? Are you partying it up like a bad boy? I don't know. Don't hate me. Massive corn. They definitely don't taste like corn either. Wow, there's not even a lid on this thing anymore. I guess I just threw it away or something. They're lovely little chickpeas. That should be enough. Nothing, your allergies are shit today. Ah, damn, that sucks. You're signed with another team as a pro player for 3 months and you're the owner of Tando. Oh, cool. What team are you a part of, though, right now? I'm curious. I'm just curious. I must learn all the things about all the peoples. And you're in here a lot, so I like to learn more and more things about you, so. There you go. Yeah, I think that's a pretty perfect amount, actually. Team just trying to survive. That's funny. Just trying to survive. I like the name. That's not how that goes. I like the name. Okay. Get this all mixed in nice and evenly. God damn, that smells delicious. Smells like buffalo sauce. Kind of crazy, right? You like their community very well? Oh, that's good. Kind of like the sleuths. Man, you're hungry. You've only eaten 2. Why have you not eaten today, dude? I need to wash a cutting board. I need to eat. Yes, indeed. I banned someone on my stream today. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys were there. I think you guys missed it. I pulled down the ban hammer so quick. Oh, I didn't say any response to him. I just banned him. I'm like, get off. Team Sleuth. You may order some Mexican food to deliver. Do it. Because you've been Why have you been sleeping? Have you been staying up late at night? Are you doing like night work or something now? Was it there? He came and the first thing he says, $100 to see your boobs. Okay, this is Twitch. And I'm an independent woman. Well, no, I have a boyfriend. I have a boyfriend, and no one's gonna see my boobs except for him. And I'm not showing on a stream to where I'm gonna get $100 and then banned for life. Hell no. It's a simple solution for not having to deal with allergies. Okay, makes sense. No, but I've thought about it. Truthfully, I would not recommend going to nights, personally, because it sucks a lot. It screwed up my sleeping for literally the rest of my life. Oh yeah, it's straight up disrespectful, 100%. It's just a butt face. So I just banned him. I'm like, bye-bye. Very straightforward human. Yeah, well, even though it's human, it doesn't mean it's right. More humans need to learn to be more respectful and know how to treat other human beings, obviously. Because a lot of people don't seem to understand that. How to treat human beings. Respectfully. Especially women. You have to admit, women get a lot of shit. You know? Oh, yeah, I know. Well, just the way you're saying, like, it's human, it's like, yeah, but it's a disrespectful human. Like, it's normal. Too normal for a human. 16 an hour plus optional overtime after. Not worth it, straight up. Well, what do you get paid now? Maybe it depends on what you get paid now, I guess. These are my fastest streams. Is making this. Ah, no, come back here. I could have streamed when I made my noodles too. I don't know why I didn't. Probably because I didn't want to take the time to set it up. It takes way too long to set this stuff up. It's so worth it. What do you make now? Money is important and it's always good. It is, but it's not worth your health, straight up. When I worked overnights, it fucked me up so bad to where I started falling asleep in school. When I was back on regular time. And it's caused me to get sleepy when I'm driving. It screwed something up in my head. So for me, it wasn't worth it. It was really bad. Luckily my job now doesn't do overnights. Or holidays. And we get paid well. Go find a job at FedEx. Do what I do. Okay. Like, I could get it if it's like $10 more an hour, but if it's anything less than $10 more an hour, to me, not worth it. Should have bought a couple tomatoes. Should have bought a couple more tomatoes so I could have some more tomorrow. Ah, damn it, I almost made it. I knew I was going to do that. Damn it. Don't do what I do, just do what I say. Okay, let's clean that up real quick. Before it dries and gets stuck on the counter. Woohoo, that's spicy! That's got its kick to it. And then, final touch, a little bit of blue cheese. Little bit of blue cheese. This blue cheese is delicious! Come on. Come on. Chunky blue cheese. Delicious. I gotta sneeze. Really badly. Fucking way. Because I gotta sneeze. Okay. Just ignore that. Because that wasn't a thing. I need. Woohoo! Some water. I need to lower those legs or something. Lower them legs. I'll get all this put away after I'm done. Do a little bit of dishes. Go feed my cat. Usual type of dealios. Only gonna have one of these wraps. Because it's already almost 8 o'clock at night. So I don't need more. I'm just. You can scoot right back there. There we go. That's far enough. Okay, so that's the final product. Got the spicy buffalo chickpeas, some tomatoes, some spinach, and buffalo. Not buffalo, blue cheese. You can also put purple onion. It says purple onion. It also uses hummus on the bottom, but I don't really like it doing that, so I just put all this stuff on it instead. It's yummy. It is a perfect summer food. It's a quick to make, plus the next day the chickpeas are cold, So it's good. You're salty because you eat. Then go make food! Just, not just powder. Like real food. Welcome. Saw that one coming. No! Chickpeas are surprisingly good. Try to think if they really taste like anything else, but nothing else. I am a meshy eater, straight up. Well, of course, if you watched my Grizz1y tries yesterday, that was bad. How's ASRock? You all done for the night? So good. I just want a second one because of how good this is. But I showed it. So good. Dang, that sucks. Do you have an update or something with something large? Darn ARC. Or maybe drivers need updated? No. Usually whenever I like, I just update my drivers. And usually then it's fine. Usually at this point in a cookie stream, I'm already at an hour. I'm only at 23 minutes. This tells you how much quicker this is to make. Let's go make this so it doesn't stick to the pan. And we have so much left over. Not that you know of, we're all using this internet right now, so a bit of... Oh, okay, that would make sense. Look at how much is left. Zach will come and probably have 2 tonight. Ooh, we'll have 2 tonight, and then we'll have a bunch for tomorrow. Yeah, that would do it if everyone's on the internet. Especially depending on your speeds. So, upload and... Especially download. You're back from your phone call. Ooh, who did you get a call from? Or call? Oh, you just... You don't just use internet at that point. Use internet ordering. Burritos are good though. But yeah, so how much were you make? How much do you make an hour right now? Like, how much is the difference between overnight and currently? No, it's it's family owned. Oh, okay, that makes sense then. So it's an hour 20 extra an hour. Yeah, to me that's not worth it at all. Especially since probably in a couple of years you'll be up at 16 anyways. I know the nights would go up as well, but an extra $1.20 to fuck everything up? Nah. But to do the overnight you'd have to go some... Oh, really? Would you have to go farther out or closer? Or would you have to move? I might make one more of these. I'm like, how far do you have to go? Because because of just that, it might not be worth it anyways, depending on cost. So why don't they do overnight there as well? Yeah, you'd have to quit your job. Alright, so for me... Oh, it's about the same... Oh, so it's not even at the same job. Is it with the same company or no? What would the other job be? Same job or doing something different? Oops. There we go. I was like standing here talking to you guys. I might make one more. 25 minutes doesn't seem like a bad drive time at all. So maybe it's worth it. Have you worked overnights before? Oh, that's so good. Doing one more. One more. So, gotta open a whole new thing of tortillas and everything. Oh! We put these into a zipper bag because it doesn't close on its own. Little spinach in. Ashypoo, that's where you work, is making you pack it, is me making and packaging a product, and then it gets sent out. Target distribution is what I've been thinking about. Basically, I'd be going to do a warehouse job, and nope. Oh, so you've never done overnights? Oof. They're rough. Straight up, they're super rough. Like, it's a complete swap. And especially if you have hot summers, whoo-hoo, you better hope you have an AC or else you are done screwed. And then you'll be buying an AC anyways because you'll realize how much you need an AC. Okay, so you go from packaging products, target distribution, and what you've been thinking about. Excuse me. Oh, that was a burp. What is target distribution? Like distributing for Target? That's my first thought, straight up. I'll leave one big one for him. No more tomatoes for me because I need to leave at least a little for Zach. So good. Get a little bit of that. Oh, this stuff is so good. I'm gonna swap this big one out, the small one, so that way Zach has a couple of big ones. Yeah. The only thing stopping you really is the time you would lose out with your girlfriend, as well as streaming time when I do end up doing it. Basically, all picking orders from Target and having a setting. Well, it shouldn't stop you from streaming because on your days off you should still be able to stream, unless you would be keeping people up. Then I understand not streaming, but you can still do it on your days off. It'd just be different times. You'd probably get more like European people in and stuff, or other overnighters up. But definitely the time with the girlfriend. That's the other thing. Like, money isn't worth. They say money is time, but making that money is. Spending that money is more worth it to spend time with your loved ones, straight up. Also, that's what I currently deal with. It gets hot in the factory and you won't have to worry about the heat. That is true. Well, depending on how much it cools off. Like, some places, it's like 112 during the day, and then at night it's 105. It doesn't really cool off, so it almost doesn't even matter too much. I'll feed Lovey after this. But I meant like AC at home, because we didn't have an AC at our apartment when Zach and I both worked nights, and it was miserable during the day. So we wound up buying a window AC unit, which we actually sold, and bought a portable AC unit, which is bigger and more expensive, but works so much better. And not as risky in the window. You guys should make this because this is delicious. Go away, low battery. Stop telling me what I don't have. Oh, your room is always freezing, especially when you're in the basement. It sucks sometimes. Your hand went numb earlier, so you're always staying bundled up and ugly. Why is it so cold down there? Like, do you have like 3 ACs running down there or something? What's going on there, Gio, huh? I keep looking over this way, because that's where my PC is, my laptop, so I can see chat. For some reason, I can't get the other camera going at the same time, which is annoying. Or to be able to switch easily. Oh well. I usually also put this camera in a better spot to be able to stare at it. But not tonight. Tonight I shoved it over here. Well, it should be over here. But meh. It's kind of interesting in our bedroom. It stays too hot until about 2 a.m. and then it gets cold and we have to get back in our blankets. Zach usually steals mine because I usually have a blanket on my bed because I cuddle with it. I like the squishiness of the blanket. You know you have an air vent right above you and the cold air still blows out when it's closed and it's not as cold upstairs as it is downstairs. Oh, yeah. Yeah, upstairs is always hotter because heat rises. So since you're at the bottom, the cool air drops down to you, so that makes sense. Upstairs, I was sweating my butt off, but down here it feels perfectly fine and cool. Got some on my finger. It's so good. It'll be good when I make it tomorrow for lunch. I might go pick up some tomatoes. Unless we eat out. Go out on lunch date. Who knows, maybe. We don't know what our plans are yet. Yeah, I can't wait till you move out so that you can be the king of the thermostat. There is no thermostat in this house. We just have baseboard heaters. I guess they have thermostats, but I'm in control of it. I keep it so they rarely come on. Oh. Have you been looking at more places to move to? That's not going to end well if I keep doing that. Coolest cup ever. I'm going to wait for your response and then I think I might be done for the night. Gotta go feed Lovey and take care of some chores. You know, the usual. No, burp again. Yeah. Yummy. So good. Yummy. Why would I do that? Why do I do that? Oh, I gotta put all this away now. I don't want to put it away. I gotta do some dishes. So I look at cool in my house, and yeah, I looked at it. One in Rockford, but not really in for the Scythe schools in that area aren't with. Oh, okay. Oh, since the schools in the area. Well, when it's obviously baseboards only work in the winter, and it's like it's too expensive to run them. It really is. So we don't run them as much as possible. Because it could easily, and it has doubled our electricity bill before, and it's just, that's not affordable. Alright. I think I'm going to edit here. I'm starting to get super sleepy, and I still gotta get shit done. And considering I may have a house for when you might have children who may need to... Yeah, so you gotta kind of consider it if you plan on being there for quite a while. Alright, but it is time to end, so I'm going to edit here, go get Lovey fed, get some dishes done, put some stuff away, and then go to sleep. Well, I might watch an episode of one thing, but I forgot what it's called. Orange is the New Black, but that's about it. So guys, thank you all for coming and chilling. I shall see you later this week. I think Thursday. I think we'll be back Thursday. Maybe sooner. Who knows. So I shall see you guys later. I should probably see who's streaming. Let's see who is streaming. Let's see a quick streamer. The food should be here anyways. Soon. That's quick. Oops, that's not where I meant to go. Alright. Yash is streaming, so we might go raid Yash. Yash. Kai streaming, cool streaming. Jesus, so many streamers. Let's go raid Yash for tonight. Where'd he go? Did he end? Nope, there it is. Escape from Tarkov. Okay, so /raid. It's... Oh, what's his name? Yash, double H. Alright, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh no! He killed Kenny! Oh no! We're gonna raid Yash! Oh god, just... Please, bedtime now. Please, 2, 1, raid.